Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. As you can see behind me is a Challenger Hellcat. I purchased it from my buddy at REHAB. It was an awesome car, it was a really good opportunity to get into one, so I went ahead and bought it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. We're doing some minor things today on the Hellcat. I'm not sure this is gonna be a part 1, 2, or 3, probably just a part 1 and the finish. Anyway, my lift is busy, and thankfully my buddy Vic over here had a free lift, so we're gonna go ahead and put the drive shaft in today and see if it needs anything else.
So this is the drive shaft that goes to the axle, and this is the, well, I guess the U joint, but it's like the universal joint, like the CV axle. But this free travel right here is not normal. That should be not doing that. There's ball joints in there, and they're evidently shattered, and you can see the joint juice
It's all over.
leaking all over the place. But yeah, it's freaking toast.
Man, did some research online. It looks like it's a common issue for the Hellcat. So we went with the one-piece G-Force all aluminum drive shaft. It was $1,000.
Oh, can I open it?
Yeah, and you know what? This was the cheaper one. They have a carbon fiber one for $1,900.
So, from what I can tell, to take this drive shaft out, I'm gonna have to take these clamps loose, unplug these exhaust flaps, and I usually spray a little bit of penetrating oil on these rubber grommets that hangs the exhaust, because it makes it a ton easier to take loose. Take that off and just drop the exhaust down. And then we have a heat deflector shield here and here, and then we'll be able to get right to the drive shaft.
Yeah, see these tires, folks? That was from that one burnout. There goes $500 to $700 down the drain. I ordered a new set of tires, $700. I ain't doing that again. OEM.
Was it this side? No, it was the other side.
Alright, versus the G-Force. I mean, just look at that. That's insane, right?
I don't know how they thought 700 horsepower would be maintained.
Yeah, I mean, there's no way. Look at that. That's wild.
That's our problem. Those are those bearings. You see them?
Yep.
So it's like twisting it.
That's crazy. Look at the difference, man. Sadly, G-Force sent us the wrong bolts.
Send one us like it, but it's just the wrong size. It's the right length and all that. Got it mixed up. Yep. So these right here, they connect into your diff. Just follow me over here. These bolt up right here, and then you'll be able to run regular U-joint. So this is an adapter. We're gonna be running a lot of Loctite on all this stuff. Make sure this thing doesn't fly off.
Yeah, we definitely need, especially when I'm doing more horsepower to it. So, all right, let's go to Carson. All right, guys. 1 hour later, and for $1. All right, so we're back. We got the bolts. Time to get this drive shaft back in.
I think there's gonna be more power on the front, so I'll probably put the longer bolts in the front. You know, that's where the front one broke anyway. So.
Yep. It did break in the front. All right. I hate that they put a foot brake on here.
I know. I saw that. I was like, what?
Yeah.
And the release is stupid too.
So retarded, dude. I will never understand that.
Ooh.
What?
It's in the way.
Can't put the cover back on?
Yeah, it's touching. You have to bend it or something. I'm double checking doing it the right way. Yeah, it's definitely not big enough now. The drive shaft's in the way. I'll have to bend it down.
Alright. So we got the exhaust on. So y'all can see, there's the drive shaft. Much better. Alright. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. I finally got the new drive shaft in, got some new tires on it, and we're gonna do a launch control. Before, I couldn't even get it to go, so now we're gonna do a launch control test. I'm kind of new at this, so bear with me, but we're gonna give this a try and see if it goes. Alright, man, you ready? Ready? Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Alright y'all, so I did a few runs and it looks like 3250 is the sweet spot for the RPMs. We're going to do another test hit just to see how it does with launch control. Alright, so it's been a while since I posted my last video. I'm pretty much aware. I got a lot of messages from you guys about that. The reason being is we're still waiting on parts. So in the meantime, I wanted to show you kind of the little stuff that I did to the Hellcat by replacing the drive shaft and doing tires, and then moving on to hopefully some minor upgrades to the engine, because for me, it ain't really fast, you know what I mean? It feels like a real fat cat instead of a Hellcat. So we need to get some more power into this one, man. So hopefully in the next video, we will see some extra horsepower on a dyno. Hey, thanks for watching guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna post a video once every week. It's just been kind of tough waiting on parts and then running the junkyard, getting a new inventory. Speaking of the junkyard, we just had a little cookout this weekend, so I'll upload a new video for you guys, and hopefully we'll see you guys next week on the Lotus or the Shelby.